How to choose your affiliate program. Hello folks, and welcome to the channel. Affiliate marketing programs have skyrocketed in popularity in the past few years. As one of the fastest and easiest ways to start an online home business, people are jumping on this wave by the millions. Affiliate programs offer merchants the opportunity to employ vast armies of salespeople who get paid for the results they achieve. The rewards for affiliates can be very good, and the skilled affiliate marketer can earn many thousands of dollars per month. This win-win situation has led to an explosion in the number of affiliate programs that are available to affiliate marketers. How do you go about choosing the right affiliate program for you? What qualities should you look for in a program and which gives you a good chance of making a sustainable income? Below are some tips that will help you to evaluate affiliate programs, and help you to avoid wasting time and money. Tip number 1. What commissions does the program pay? It is very important that you know how much you can expect to earn from a sale. There is no point in spending time and money promoting a product that pays very small commissions. You could end up spending more on marketing than you make on sales. It is probably best to stick with marketing products with a high commission value, unless you have found a niche market where you can sell vast quantities of product, and make substantial commissions on your volume of sales. How much traffic is their website getting? Try to discover the amount of traffic the affiliate owner's website is already receiving. Always research a merchant's product if their website has a low traffic ranking. It may be a good idea to buy the product yourself if you can afford it. Otherwise, you could do a search to find out if there are any negative reviews about it on the internet. Be careful who you listen to though, because many people are in the habit of bashing affiliate programs with nothing to really support their comments. How often are affiliate commissions paid? Some affiliate programs pay commissions every week, some once a month, others only pay every quarter. It is important that you know how often you can expect a paycheck if you are going to have financial control over your business. Do you have the financial resources to continue to market a product if you have to wait a long time before you get paid? Does the affiliate program use tracking cookies? Many customers do not buy on their first visit to a merchant's website. It is important therefore that the merchant uses cookies for their affiliate program so that you get credit if the customer returns and buys at a later date. Check out how long the cookies last. The longer the cookies lasts, the better the chances of you getting paid. Does the affiliate program pay on subsequent sales? Some programs will only pay commission on sales that come through customers visiting their site via a direct link from your site. They pay you nothing for any subsequent purchases that the customer makes if they visit the merchant's site directly. It is important that you get paid no matter what route the customer returns by if you are to build a sustainable affiliate business. What marketing resources does the affiliate program offer? Look at the type and quality of the marketing resources that they provide. Do they provide articles, advertisements, or other content that you can use to put on your site? Do they provide free guides, special offers, free viral ebooks, or product samples that you can send to your list? If the marketing material they provide is good, then it is likely that the business will provide good support for their affiliates. Finding the right affiliate program for you can be tough to do. The best advice is to do your own research, follow the advice above, and listen to your instincts. Use the above questions as an aid to finding an affiliate program that enables you to reach your financial goals. You never know. You might just strike affiliate marketing gold. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, give us a thumbs up.